In today's video, I will show you how to edit text in Photoshop. It's pretty simple. In the text menu, you can find the toggle text orientation. This will make your font either horizontal or vertical. Next is to select fonts, where you can choose the font styles that you want. Set Font Style displays the available font styles for your chosen font. Font Size is where you can adjust the size of the fonts. The anti-aliasing method is another option you can explore. You can also choose the alignment of your text. In the text color section, you can change the color of your fonts. Warp Text is where you can curve or adjust the position of your text. There is also a toggle and paragraph panel for more font settings. You can use all of these settings to edit your text. That's it. Thank you for watching.